We're Smallpeice, the charity that thinks learning should be fun and easy to get hold of.
And today we're thinking inside the box.
Just because the picture on the box says STEM, so science, technology, engineering or maths, it doesn't mean what's inside is.
So we're the non-STEM experts opening up the contents.
And getting STEM experts to put what's inside to the test.
Making sure the small people in your life have fun and learn a little STEM on the way.
So this is the latest one we've got, which is the chemistry lab. We got it from T.G. Jones. It didn't look massively popular. It was in the kind of general, like discounted piece. It was £17, but looks interesting. It obviously says science in this, so not necessarily STEM in its entirety, but definitely science. And the age is age 10 plus, so let's see how we get on with this.
It's interesting because there was a STEM section in T.G. Jones, wasn't there? But this wasn't in it.
No, it was sort of on the side. Ooh. Like proper bottles.
This looks exciting.
Can I just say, this looks intimidating.
The book. Yeah.
Look at that.
I think there's a bit of a Bible in here. I think there should be...
I can definitely see why it's 10 plus, because you've got to be committed to reading. Yeah, so they're called chapters.
Oh,
yeah. Surely wouldn't you say like experiment 1, experiment 2?
Or have a little booklet with each of the...
Do you know what it starts off with? First aid instructions.
So it's got the important things out the way.
Oh, no. So you've got the content, and it explains what all the risks are against each of the bits. It also has all of the...
I opened this and immediately thought, these look like bubbles. Don't you think? Which could be a bit problematic if you've got younger children in the house.
To be fair, it's got danger written on that one, so I'm not entirely sure. Should we leave that one shut?
Yes. It was open as I pulled it out.
Oh, yeah, but it's got...
Oh, has it got child
locks? It's got child locks on it. These are like all... Yeah, we're never getting into these. I don't have the brain power to get into
What's one we could open and...
oh, not that one. This one is... Let's get one that doesn't have danger written on it.
Now, I didn't do very good in science, so this is pretty interesting to me.
I've got slightly overexcited about that.
Yes.
Do you want to open some of the things while I explain the book?
Let's look.
So you've got a list of all the equipment, so you know what to go. I quite like that they all have a pocket to go, so you know what's going.
Yeah.
First aid, safety matters, advice for supervisor. Oh.
Proper science bottle. Here.
Is it glass?
So this is proper grown up. This is...
I'm liking this.
This age 10.
Right. So you've got introductions. It's just really boring.
The pictures aren't even in colour.
No, I think look, I can see why they've done it like this. You want to keep the cost down as much as possible,
yeah.
But you should have invested in the book.
Oh yeah. Oh, so we've got filtering paper.
Ooh.
And another
jug
jar.
There's definitely a science term to that.
Yeah. So we've got a pair of safety
a
goggles.
beaker. It's called a beaker.
Now,
can you put them on?
This is a bit misleading because there's 2 kids on the box and only 1 pair of safety goggles.
Okay. No, you're like.
These are definitely made for kids.
Setting up your laboratory.
Laboratory.
Thank you very much. So you need a sink or container of liquid waste, a waste bin for solid waste, a piece of hardboard or thick cardboard or similar to put on the workbench. And if you have any spills or messes, some kitchen roll, 2 tea towels.
Oh my God,
not those usually used in the kitchen. Oh, as in like they'll never be used again. Yeah. 1 dry tea towel should be used for drying your apparatus after you've washed it, and the other tea towel should be wet, and you should keep it handy so that you can quickly smother a small fire if you're unlucky to have one. Oh my God.
Okay, so we're calling fireman salmon on this one, everyone.
Yeah. And a biscuit tin.
Oh, a biscuit tin?
Or similar, in which to stand your spirit burner.
Does it come with a Bunsen burner?
Oh no, you can make your... Ooh.
Proper comes with a...
Oh my God.
With a set.
Put it in.
Now, I think
This is your spirit burner.
Oh.
So basically, it is an actual lab. So you can put it here. That is pretty good. Oh, and then they've also said for you to get a book of some sort with a spiral binder to write up each of your experiments.
We're a bit unprepared here.
Oh my god, massively unprepared. I mean, we
Right.
can't do any experiments because we don't have all of the requirements and we haven't read the safety
We
stuff.
haven't got a biscuit tin. Is it? I don't think.
I mean, you could buy this with a biscuit tin. I mean, that would be...
It's a tiny bit misleading on the box because I think it doesn't mention anything about needing other
equipment.
to do the experiments with.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, but it does say 10 chemicals and real flame spirit burner on the box. So if you are more observant than we are,
Yeah.
but yeah, that one's pretty good. But then I would say the price point of it
Yeah.
isn't so expensive that you would
Yeah.
read the box properly.
Exactly, because you think I'm getting a whole lab for £17.
Yeah.
You think, should we have a
We
look at?
haven't really thought this through, have we, in
No.
terms of what a chemistry set might include.
I didn't look at the pictures at all.
This is very cool though.
It's very cool. I think we should just read out some of the chemicals it gives us. Oh, universal indicator paper. Do you know what that is?
No.
I think it turns with the pH levels, so it changes colour depending on what a pH level is. Don't know that. Danger. Calcium hydroxide.
Ooh.
Danger. Copper sulfate.
Basically, you need to be supervising.
Oh yeah.
100%.
Yeah. I think in terms of pictures on the box, it could do with a picture of a parent because
You need a parent.
absolutely with how sophisticated these come.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like crystals in the bottom of this one.
Okay, so I'll give you an example of one of the tests, which is quite easy, which is the
Yeah.
paper chromatography. So it lists out experiment 4.1, all of the things that you would need. Then the analysis of black-green food colourings. So it gives you all the stuff that you want. And then you've got experiment 4.2, the analysis of inks. I mean, having just opened it and had a look at it, I definitely think I could handle that. It then moves on, so that was chapter 4. Chapter 5, acids and alkalis, making acid and alkali solutions. This is when you get stuff that has hazards and things against them. So you've got, this one looks more interesting. So it goes, you've got each of the chemicals that you're going to use with the health hazards against it. So
They're written out quite intensely, aren't they? Like a science book.
I'm not comfortable with this one though. It's got a picture of someone holding your glass with hold it with a paper strip.
It doesn't come with gloves.
Yeah, or like tweezery things. So it does look very cool though.
It does look very cool.
I think if you had a kid who would be willing to invest some time on it, this is the set for them.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, we need to go and speak to our STEM experts now.
Oh, 100%. Let's go.
So, where did we get to this? I mean, overall, pretty good. What we said was the middle of the road things was ease of setup, sustainable and reusable. It is reusable, but it has a finite life to it. You can then buy some more of those chemicals.
Yeah.
The stuff like the beakers and stuff,
They're the pipettes and all that stuff. The goggles.
you can use those, infinitum. Sustainable, we sort of put in the middle. There is plastic in there, but because it's needed. But then some of it's glass, so it makes it more real. But it's it's reasonable. Durable, definitely durable.
Oh, 100%.
You have to respect chemistry. Ease of setup we put as a 3. There was quite a lot of additional stuff that you needed.
Yeah, 100%. I think it's a bit misleading on the box as well because there's 2 kids and there's only 1 pair of goggles, so it would be a case of they take it in turns, which obviously doesn't go well with some children. But there's about 5 tea towels needed, a biscuit tin lid, which is a bit rogue. I think that stuff could be a bit more
obvious.
Specified.
Yeah.
Lots, I think.
So our educational specialists definitely thought that it was like really good in terms of the comprehensiveness for it. So it's definitely educational. I think their fear was, as we said, it's about getting the young people into it to be able to do it themselves. If they love it, absolutely. They did think that it was fun and creative for those people. The reason it's dropped a mark is because you have to follow the instructions. Otherwise, like it says in the instructions, you could create a fire.
Which you would then need the tea towels for.
So, in summary, awesome.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
For the price as well.
Yeah.
Includes loads.
Yeah. So, because we loved it so much, we are going to be giving it to Meadow Park School. We're going to give it to Ms. Serrano. Miss Serrano, hopefully that's how you pronounce her name. Otherwise, the kids are going to laugh at me for this.
Don't laugh, kids.
Because we think it's awesome. So, thank you very much.